Alright then, Rick Hardy's ever wondered what $2.5 million in Australia will get you? Well, look no further because this is a review of the 70-foot yacht. Let's take a look inside to see where your money will be well spent. So let's step on and see what is to offer. Once you've had some sun soaking outside, you can step inside into your lounge area. You've got double seated lounges. You can even get your waiter or your crew to make you dinner in the sink behind you right over here. You can see there's a double sink. It's got lots and lots of storage. Your fridge. It's even got an area that you can cook as well, like so. It's got induction, melee, of course. What else could it be? Immerwasser. And right behind you, once the dinner is made, voila, look at this, beautiful, an 8-seater table. But what I really like about this yacht is the fact that you have the ability to put the sunroof back and just enjoy those beautiful starry nights under the sky and the sun. How gorgeous is that? Oh, let's go and check out downstairs and see where you'll retire after you've had your food. So downstairs on the 70-foot full of goodness yacht, you've got 4 bedrooms which each have their own bathrooms. Take a look inside here. You've got bedroom number 1 with an ensuite bathroom and a shower.
It's a very generous bathroom I'm seeing over here. Very generous bed, and you get your own hatch to see the skies.
Yes, and then there's a small little alleyway. As you walk down through the corridor, you're met with the double bunks or double room for the babies or the kids. They've got some ample amount of storage, and they've got a mirror you can see over there and some night lights as well, so they can read their books and put their clothes in the storage.
And you also get a window so you can see what's going on, and a cabinet.
And you've also got a Juliet bathroom, which takes you to the bathroom of the corridor. And if you come around here, I'll show you. This is another little... What you'll notice as well about this boat, it's got leather handles, very fancy. Going inside, you've got a toilet and a shower as well.
I'm going to go in because it smells a bit, this one, so let's close that one up.
It'd be naughty. And then here you've got your guest bedroom, which is not quite the master. You might be mistaken to think it's the master, but no, it is not. The master is coming. This is a beautiful, I'd say double-sized bed with a cabin at the top so you can see what's going on outside. You can see where you are. Got ample amount of storage here. You've got the night lights, you've got the bedroom lights here. You've got a television, which is not Kogan. We have seen a lot of Kogan TVs. This one is unbranded. Samsung. There you go. Fancy.
Personally, I think this is the bedroom to stay in because that hatch, you can get the wind in your face, you can open up, you can jump up to the top, you can play with the anchor. This is probably the room to be in, but there is even a bigger room. We're about to see that right now.
Okay, guys, so follow me as you come down 3 more little steps. This is where you want to be. You've even got your own wine fridge over here, but this is it. This is a beautifully sized, well appointed double bedroom, master bedroom. You've got a sofa there, so when you just want to chill out with your mates or with your wife or your husband or whatever, you just sit there. And you've also got, get this, a walk-in wardrobe. How cool is that?
That's pretty cool.
And some Kmart furniture, some cutlery from Kmart, because you know what? As rich as you are,
warning,
still going to be buying from Kmart. Okay, then you've also got a his and her bathroom, so you can go one side, I'll go the other.
So over on this side here, I'm not sure if it's his or her, doesn't matter, it's 2023, it's interchangeable. It even has a shower, a shared shower. Yes.
A rainfall shower as well.
This is pretty nifty.
So, once you've retired, you can say to your friends, make me dinner, I want some breakfast.
And they will say, I'm no longer your friend.
Now, once you've lounged on the outside, you want a bit of control. You've got a beautiful amount of screens, really. There's 3 screens here. All of them are Garmin, and it tells you exactly where you're going because you don't ever want to get lost. And really, you want to take control of this Volvo Penta engines and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful sights to see with your thrusters, which actually helps you to steer as well. So it moves the engine so you can go diagonally and you can park a lot easier. Beep, beep, beep. Get out of my way.
During daylight, you really can't see the screen. The screens are actually on. You just can't see what's going on.
But you can see there's plenty of space on the bow. You know, if you've got some friends who just want to chill there, sunbathe, there is a ton of space right at the front.
So to get to the bow, you have to walk around the sides. So let's see how easy it is to do that. There is no side rails here, but there is a grab-on rail to the side here. So you just got to be a bit Indiana Jonesy and grab on around the side, and you can make it through. Once you get to this area here, grab onto this rail, you are right at the front. massive oodles of space. You can probably chart this boat, make some money. And this is the hatch. If you want to see what's going on in the action, you're not going to get a spying visual. You can lie down on there. It's kind of a small sunbed. It's a bit, maybe it needs a bit of maintenance, but generally you feel like you're Captain Fantastic Titanic. Go right to the front here. Look at that, that's where the anchor is. And you feel like you're the biggest boat in town. It's like, okay, that is, no, this is probably the biggest boat over here in Scotland. So check that out, 70 foot. At the top, you got, for the TV, you got all the radar there, you got a big spotlight, track vision. I'm not sure if that's actually a real one. That's, one of them is real, one of them is fake, just to make it look good. You got the horn, and you got the sunroof at the top. And around the other side, you do have that walkway, so you can walk back in. I personally like the windshields that can open up here, so you can just walk straight out. But I guess this one is wide enough, although it's a bit maybe challenging because you need to just hold on for your life. As you grab round, you gotta be a bit careful. But it's plenty of space. I mean, this is a massive boat, so as long as it's not moving, you definitely go around with ease.